So I have a few things here that I'm going to be attending to. Like the poll that I pulled out, I've been dropping a post, so okay, make people talk. Waiting, they go most likely one here. So the next coming weeks, these are like the things that I'm going to be teaching on this channel. So come with me. So the first one is basic editing for content creation, like beginner friendly. So I go start from scratch. You understand how to edit, but I'm not used to CapCut, but most of these things happen everywhere. Right? If you really want to start content creation and say you won't really make money from content creation, I believe you should be able to use some of these softwares, this software that are more important. I know say CapCut did very easy. CapCut did very easy, but we will still talk about other softwares where they use, where I believe say yes, you go actually still help you get those desired results very, very fast. So the next one is how to make thumbnails. So I will teach you now the process how I create thumbnails too. Lighting placements, how you go place your lights when you dey shoot. I'll show now behind the scene of how I create my own YouTube videos. And don't feel threatened. Your video is not expected to be as sophisticated as mine, because yes, if I reveal the things that they use, they're very expensive, but you can actually start with something. But if you now get the knowledge of where you want to place your lights, how you want to arrange your lights, it could be very, very easy for you to use anything. So now the next one are like basic equipment for content creation. Now they have, Facebook has monetized Nigeria and everybody wants to dive into content creation, but how you want you start, many people don't know. You understand? So I could just explain most of the equipment where you go use. We know say yes, definitely your phone camera or any camera first, because now what you go use record yourself, make people see you. You get, so the rest are microphone, type of microphones, how you go just get yourself to look better on your camera and all that, right? So the next one is how to adjust your video. You see, so I already talked about it. So after you do all these things, you go still need to adjust your video, make it look very, very nice. You get, so after that one, we will now go for how to make quality videos. You get, so most times you go see say you don't carry your camera record and you look very, very nice for your camera. You understand? Then when you go edit and finish, do everything, you go come and say yes, you drop quality. I go explain why and why I feel say now the reason why your camera, this thing, the drop quality, your picture, the drop quality after you don't shoot. You get, then how to record video, obviously. So in no particular order, that's how I'm going to be addressing most of all these topics, right? So the next one now, how to make end screen. That's on YouTube. How to make end screen, designing it and linking it to your YouTube channel and all that. How to make an intro. There's an intro screen and there's an outro, end screen and all that. So I go explain all those things in detail separately for every video. So the videos won't be that long. They're going to be as short as possible. Let's say 6, 7, 8 minutes, but I will be as detailed as possible. Okay, now the next one is how to write enjoyable content scripts. Enjoyable content script. That's for people where really no get what they want to talk off their head. Right? Most of my content, yes, I create script for it because they always want to reach a target. You get, so why they create script for mostly what they do now, because say I plan say the video no go long past 6 minutes. It won't be more than 6 minutes, because if I don't use a script, trust me, I go fit talk for 2-3 hours and I will stop. That's why I use script on my own end. Every other person get why they use script, because maybe they get people where they want to target with their type of words and all those kind of things. But I think basically a script is to help you streamline most of your words so that you know go to repeat plenty things. So I believe a lot of people have different reasons why they write script, but for me, waiting I know that say script go help you streamline most of these your conversations, make them go direct to the point, because some people, if they don't use scripts, they go talk one thing over and over and over again, and those things they bore people when they listen to them. That's why they create scripts for it. You understand? So come on from there, you go to free AI tools to optimize your YouTube content. Yes, we're there in the era of AI. So how you go now use these AI tools to help you, optimize your content, to make you, make it like say they backward. Because the most important thing is to embrace this technology when it comes. Don't run away from it. Don't think, maybe they will collect some of my job or something. Nobody's taking your job, but you just have to embrace this AI. Now, the next one, how to use SEO to increase your YouTube reach. This is a very wide topic on its own, and I go try as much as I can to see how I go fit explain them for now to understand. I'm going to try as much as I can to see how I'm going to explain this particular SEO for your YouTube to probably increase your reach. So what SEO means is search engine optimization. Yes, I just did a course on it because every day you go need to study, right? So that course could make people understand what I mean by SEO. So it means search engine optimization. Sorry, so make I adjust my microphone well. So I like as this thing they happen, so that I'm going to see I'm live as they happen. Okay, so I adjusted my microphone because I need to be speaking directly to the microphone, because I did so I did watch my waveform monitor, you get, so that my voice could reach a certain peak number, make it no over peak now, make it no too loud, burst. We are going to talk about all this, how I record my sound and all those things. Then the next one, how to make YouTube banners, right? I think YouTube banners now, okay, YouTube banners different, so I'll go explain how to make YouTube banners. I go still do a dimension, maybe one of they explain that one, I will just drop that dimension for anybody so that you can easily go to maybe the tool where you go fix edit. Once you get that dimension, you're supposed to know where and where go show for your YouTube banner, where and where go they cut off and all that, right? That thing give me plenty problem too when I start, but trust me, I'm your guy now. I go try do and make it day easy for owner, right? So the next one are YouTube settings to turn on before posting content. Well, those ones are like easy something. So you get some things you need to activate, right? So that YouTube will understand, say, okay, this type of quality this person they dish out. So we guys accept and like that. So YouTube they a bit complex. Some people they post YouTube in 4K, some they post in 1080p like that. But I believe one thing. What most of us they do now, instead of to allow YouTube compress our videos for us, you go look for YouTube settings. I will teach that one. So that settings now will make you understand what YouTube need. So use your hand, compress that particular video to that particular thing where YouTube need and give to them. You go see and say they no go touch them. So if you use your hand, compress them, right? The way you did for your hand, as you compress them, the quality where you get send to YouTube, and the same quality where YouTube go dish out, they no go touch anything inside. But now when you go send them higher bitrate files, all those things, where they pass the number where they talk about, then you might not see compression. And trust me, you don't go compress them with what's it called, due diligence. They don't go try and like say yes, now our own. It's not their business. They have tons and tons of videos that are being sent or posted on YouTube every single minute. So they don't go use because they this person is a special person. Moku compress you don't find any quality where you see from their compression you go manage. Now why people go complain say I post video, my video was looking very nice, right? But when I posted it on YouTube, the quality dropped. These are part of the reasons. And the next one is your favorite app for content creating. Then content creation hack. So if you check, you can see say by the end of all this course, you suppose on be able to they cash out. You understand? Because that's what everybody wants. Everybody wants to make money from their content. Now, I know go get keep. I no go hide anything. So I go try as much as I can to build a community where we say, yes, tomorrow figure go say, I start this whole content creation because of Kelvin Silva. I get this point, or I started making this money because of this guy and all that. That could be my joy. You understand? So if you think this is something you might like, or you believe you get some friends where they're interested in content creation and they go most likely want get this information, why not share this video to them, tell them to subscribe, turn on the notification, because in the next coming week, now only this type of content I go to create for this page. Yes, in the next coming week, these are the type of content I'm going to be creating on this page. And pardon my English and pidgin because I relate with everybody. Kelvin Silva is my name. I'll see you guys in the next one. Mbene.